This is just a general workflow kind of showing our process. Basically, we work with our customers to identify areas that need to be blasted. At that point, we'll put the drone up in the air, we'll do a flight of that area, upload those photos into Strayos, build a 3D model there, and then we'll do our design. And then we'll either go and lay that out, either actually mark it out on the ground with survey equipment, or we'll send it to the drills that are GPS enabled, and they can start drilling those holes. They'll drill those holes, and then once they're finished, we'll go back out, fly that area again. So now we have the actual as drilled hole locations. We can compare that with our design. We can look at our face profile, and we can really kind of finish up our blast planning so that then our blast crew can come in, they can load that blast pattern with explosives, perform the blast, at which point we put up another drone, again, to capture a video of that, and then we'll do another flight afterwards to capture the post-blast area so we can look at our post-blast performance. Just a lot of flying, and we may do multiple flights after the blast, just again to try to look and see how we've done, and just having a geo reference and being able to kind of tie all that together has been amazing.